Welcome back to another video. Please mind my voice. I'm a bit unwell at the moment, but I'm going to be breaking down the two trades I took yesterday in the markets that have secured me over 5,900 US dollars on my 200k funded X account. So I took these two trades yesterday. One was just before Frankfurt Open, and one was in London, which was taken live in front of the whole Discord community. So the first trade was a gold long, actually. So as you've seen, we were long all day. We had a lot of bullish momentum, pretty much heading up all day. Price then came down and had a correction. And then when I saw price make this weak internal break of structure to the downside, I then saw price come up and decide to flip bullish from here. You simply grab the path tool, you can see we've got bearish structure like this. And then price decides to head up. And now we've got bullish structure. So what did I do? I marked the most recent break of structure on my chart over here. And there was a nice liquidity built up over here. I then waited for price to come and sweep down on the protected low over here. I actually entered here on the rejection candle, stop loss just below the low, and I targeted this internal level of liquidity. Now, I could have targeted this area up over here, but I didn't want to be greedy, and I knew that this high point over here caused a big move into the market, so I was more than happy to target here. And that was a 5.4 run risk to reward on gold. And then coming into GBP USD, I took a 2.2 trade on the live call in front of everyone. So as you guys can see, we were bearish during the day. Then price gave us a 3-minute and a 15-minute break of structure over here. And what did I do? I simply waited for price to build up some liquidity. Price then swept the liquidity and we respected our protected high over here. We got a 1 and 3-minute rejection candle, which is good confirmation that this zone is going to hold. From there, I entered my short position, stop loss at the high, simply targeting this internal low over here. And that managed to skew us a 2.2 risk to reward trade. And that is exactly how I managed to catch a $5,975 payout on my 200k funded X account. If you have any questions, please let me know. But it's the same strategy I teach over and over. A break of structure in the market like this. So you simply mark that as your break of structure like this. And then you find the high that caused the structure, which is this high over here. So this will be our protected high. You then wait for a little buildup of liquidity, just like this. Wait for the liquidity to be swept and the protected high to be respected. Once you get a sweep and a rejection off there, you simply enter your short position. Stop loss at the high, simply we use a 4-pip stop loss, targeting the previous low. That's the exact trade model that I teach in my community. Now, if you have any questions about these two trades, please let me know. That's exactly how I managed to secure that payout.